Hello, welcome to the application video for lesson 1-9, adding polynomials. Just to remind you, our learning target is I can add polynomials. So we're going to jump right into the application. We're going to look at problem number 1 on the application. So in a given triangle, the largest side is twice the length of the smallest side. The other side, that is not the smaller or the largest, is 2 units longer than the shortest side. Write an expression that represents the perimeter of the triangle. We want to let x represent the length of the smallest side. Alright, so I'm going to go back through one more time and highlight the important information that gives to us. So we know that the largest side is twice the length of the smallest side. We know that the other side is 2 units longer than the shortest side. Now, it also tells us we want to let x represent the length of the smallest side. And that's going to be important because it's going to give us a frame of reference. So the first thing that I'm going to do is draw a picture to help me with this. So I'm just going to draw a triangle, and the smartboard will catch up for a second. Alright, now it said to let x represent the length of the smallest side. So I'm just going to mark this as x. Now, perimeter, if you will recall, is the length of all the sides added together around the shape. So we have one side right now. We need to figure out how we can express these other two sides. So let's go back up to the important information they gave us. It told us that the largest side is twice the length of the smallest side. So that's telling me that this side right here needs to be twice as long as this shortest side. So if this side is x, we have to multiply x by 2 to get twice that. So this side is going to be labeled as 2x. We also have the other side that we need to figure out, the one that's not the longest or the shortest, this side right here. And we're given the information that it's 2 units longer than the shortest side. So it's 2 units longer than this. So let's just say hypothetically that this had been 4. If that had been 4, 2 units longer would be 6. We get that from adding 4 plus 2 to get 6. So even though we don't know exactly what this number is, we know we have to add 2 to it. So this side is going to be x plus 2. Now, like we said, perimeter is all the sides added together. So I'm going to have one side that is x, plus I'm going to have one side that is x plus 2, and I'm going to have one side that is 2x. Alright, so we do have an expression. Now we do want to simplify this, so we want to combine all our like terms. So I'm going to look at where I have my x's. I have an x here, an x here, and an x here. So if I combine those all together, I'm going to get 4x. And then I only have the one constant here, so I'm going to still have plus 2. And that will be our expression to represent the perimeter of this shape. Alright, that wraps up the video. If you have any questions on the rest of the application, let us know and we'll be glad to help you out. See you next time.